Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will be making a very simple, vibrant and a very delicious homemade red currant compote from scratch. Red currants are right now in season and they are native to Western Europe. So we have a lot of abundance growing in our garden. Red currants are also a little bit tart and they belong to the gooseberry family. We will be harvesting them and then I will show you how to remove the berries from the stalk in a very easy method. Use a fork and you can easily slide the berries onto the stalk and then they fall over. This is a very simple method because in the previous recipes I did also use the stalk and made jelly, but that's not very ideal for the compote. You will need only 3 ingredients for this recipe. 2 cups of red currants freshly picked and removed from the stalks and washed. To that add 1.5 cups of castor sugar, then 3 tablespoons of water and the juice of half a lemon, and then you can also add the peel of the lemon so that it adds a little bit more citrusy flavor to it. You can add sugar depending on how sweet your berries are. When you harvest them a little bit later in the season, like in beginning of July or mid of July, then they do get sweet. But when you're harvesting very early on, then they are very tart. So if you wait a little bit longer when the sun is really at its peak, then they do get very ripe. Simmer this over medium heat, stirring occasionally. As the berries begin to soften and release the juices, then you will see that it also starts to thicken. You can keep it slightly chunky or you can also cook it a little bit longer for a smoother sauce. Once the compote has thickened, store them into sterilized glass jar. If you want, you can do additionally a little bit of water bath canning for about 10 to 15 minutes, but it's generally not necessary. If you have filled it in hot jam jars in sterile conditions, then they will keep even for more than a year. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more such videos and recipes. I'd like also to hear your comments in the comment section below. I will also link below previous videos and also recipe cards from my blog, and you can also visit my blog at vitalfairliving.com. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye.